Economist Jonathan Revela said the government should begin rolling out measures to cushion the potential economic impact of the ongoing conflicts in the Middle East. In an interview with The Big Story, Ravelas noted that suspending the excise tax on fuel is not a viable option, stressing that the government still relies on the revenue it generates. Instead of removing the tax, he recommended targeted subsidies for vulnerable sectors. Ravelas also said that the proposed 4-day work week would likely be temporary, but emphasized that the digital space should be used to boost productivity and make the arrangement more palatable for both workers and businesses.
What are your thoughts on the proposals to, one, remove the excise tax, or two, maybe remove the VAT on oil products?
Ideally, I think at this point in time, the government needs revenue. So suspending the excise tax, it's really more about doing mitigating measures. And one of them probably is a portion of the income generated could be given or a subsidy given to a selected sector. No? So these are not ayudas, but you're really giving them subsidy. So when they go to a certain gasoline station, they will be written and then they'll probably be given a discount or a subsidy of 500. So the subsidies that the government should do is something that is credited to them. It's not money given to them, so that it will really be targeted to offset the impact of transport. Maybe a subsidy on electricity for some, which the government has already started. So it's just probably trying to work on those and probably mitigating measures that could probably be temporary, meaning it's just good for maybe 1-2 months and then it stops. Because we will just assume and probably take it one step at a time, whether to do more. 4-day work week will probably be more of temporary. But again, given the set of technologies, we can actually try to use this type of the digital space as an opportunity to, take advantage of it so that we become more productive. So rather than being in traffic, if you are able to work in a place near your work or near your home, then definitely it makes it more palatable, especially during this 1 to 2 months, assuming that we really see that this situation could probably be more of temporary. No? But again, if it one of the things that even recently BSP Governor Remolona said, I guess the key number that we're all waiting for is an oil price above 100. Then that's something that that already sends signals that we could probably breach the 3% in terms of inflation.